What is going on, boys? Another video. Welcome back to the garage. Carl. Yeah, gonna continue on pulling this B16B apart, and we will watch the first part now. And I do that because, well, it's boring. We'll just speed it up, get to this point now. So what we have is, it's pretty much bare block. I need to pull the rocker assembly out, so a couple of shafts, a couple of bolts, pull these out. I need to pull the valve train out as well, all the springs, retainers, collets, all of that. I need to send this bare head off with the other motors to get skimmed. So obviously I'm gonna have to clean all this oil and crap out as well. Oil pump, sump, and that pretty much calls it for the lower section for the short block, and give that a clean, send that off for machining as well. Yeah, and that's gonna be this one ready. I need to get the main seal off the back as well, another thing to do, and just really just a quick cleanup before it goes off to machining. Might actually get the gurney on it first and give it a quick wash down and get all this crap off now. Might be a good idea. And then yeah, I'm gonna send off mine and this B18C2 as well, and wait in line essentially. So the whole COVID thing. Everyone's finishing their projects, which is a good thing. Like, it is good, but it just means you gotta wait in line to get all your machining and everything done. So it is what it is. Let's get it done. So, another motor done. Pulled apart, ready for JHH or Tremaine. Had Nick over before and he suggested another workshop that might get it done a little bit quicker. Same price range, same quality of work, maybe just squeeze it in before the end of the year, which would be good. Yeah, so we got the B16B apart and noticed a few interesting things. It's got oil squirters, which is interesting for a B16. Or just for a small displacement motor like this, but in saying that, it is designed to rev really quite high. It is a Type R motor essentially, EK9 Type R. So it's got the oil squirters, it's got this little girdle here, which is pretty cool. And also noticed something really peculiar is on the rod bolts, it's actually got the dimples both sides. To measure the stretch, you can actually measure the stretch on the rod bolts, which is usually something kind of reserved for ARP and other aftermarket mains and stud brands. Like, very peculiar. But I'm going to look up the specs and see if I can actually find the specs on them. And yeah, other than that, the motor seems pretty good. Bearings are, you know, it's had a few Ks on it, so the bearings are about at the point in life where they need to be changed anyway. They're not terrible. The head is also, it's not terrible. We'll polish up these kind of journals here. Give it a quick polish, clean all this stuff off. Skim, lap the valves, all of that stuff. Get it nice and fresh, back to, you know, its heyday. And yeah, and that's probably going to be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and yeah, appreciate you watching.